the King 1A68F silent soft closing undermount slide for face frame and frameless cabinets. The King undermount slide is a little different than others that are out there in that it's a progressive slide. What I mean by that is, as I'm opening the drawer, the intermediate members travel with the drawer so you don't get the bumping action when you go to full extension. It has over a 2-inch continuous soft close. The front locking devices come to you this way, so I can vertically mount it into the subfront very easily. If I don't want to do that, I can take with one screw, take this off, and I can mount it on the angle at 75 degrees. We also don't do a height adjustment where it's a wedge in between the bottom of the drawer and the steel. We actually built the height adjustment into the drawer slide. If you look here, there's the gear on my height adjustment. And if I roll it forward, it lowers it. If I roll it back, it raises it up. So with one finger I can do my adjustment. We also, in the back of the drawer slide, raise the back of the drawer 2 millimeters to start. That way the back of the drawer is raised up already, and with this in the flush position, my drawer face is perfectly perpendicular to the face of the cabinet. If I raise this all the way up, the most shingle I can have is 1.5 millimeters, so I don't have to worry about pitching of drawer heads. The other is the intermediate member. This is where you get the strength. Anytime you bend steel, where you give it strength. So I have a radius here and a radius on this side. That creates the upper channel for my drawer member bearings. Then I have a secondary channel down below where I've got a wide carriage, 8 inches long, 8 bearings per side, all the way around. And where that helps you is that gives you the strength that I can take and push this drawer down and not have to worry about the sag. Also, a unique feature is the way we come packaged. I have 6 sets in a box that come nested in foam with the rear brackets, the front locking devices, and 6 sets. The boxes are also banded, so if you receive your shipments UPS, you don't have to worry about damage in shipment. King is probably one of the most sophisticated factories in the world. This is a Kaohsiung facility. It's on 46 acres of land and over 55,000 square meters of production floor space. We also have ISO certifications. King is ISO certified 18001, which is the occupational health and safety. They're also ISO certified 14001, which is the environmental, and they're also ISO 9001, which is the quality of manufacture. You can't go wrong with the King products and Comtrad. Thank you.